Hi everyone, today I'm going to introduce the dual rate and endpoint function of T8S and T8FB transmitter. For T8S and T8FB, we need parameter adjustment app to set the parameters. You can download the app for RadioLink official site, or can use iPhone, Android phone, and the computer to set the parameters. And I use iPhone in this tutorial. And since the functions of the parameter adjustment app for T8S and T8FB are the same, I take T8S as an example. I have downloaded the parameter adjustment app on this iPhone. Here it is. Open it and click Collect. A list of devices will pop out. Select RadioLink. T8S will beep. We need to press any one of the three buttons. These are the three buttons of T8S. Press any one of it. The beeping stops and they are collected. You can see the servo value on the app. With the joystick, the servo value changes, which means the collection is successful. Then we can set the parameters of T8S on the app and click Advanced menu. Here is DR, Expo. This is the dual rate setting menu. Mix. Set the mix from inhibit to on. CH is the channel. Channel 1 to channel 4 can be set for different servo travel. For example, I select CH1, channel 1. SW is the switch to control the dual rate. Switch A, switch B, switch C, and the condition switch can be selected. And this is switch A. This is switch B. And this is switch C. The condition switch can be set in the condition menu, which are the same switches as switch A, B, C. And the position can be set to up, central, or down, and I set it to up, which means when switch A is pushed up, the dual rate function of channel 1 is turned on. And the ratio defaults to 100. The whole travel, it can be set from 0 to 100%, and I set it to 50%. The half travel, and click Write to save the modifications. The beeping sounds mean the settings are saved. Return to the servo display. Switch A is pushed down, and push the joystick of channel 1. The travel amount is 100% on both sides, and push switch A up. The dual rate function of channel 1 is turned on. Push the joystick of channel 1. The travel amount is 50% on both sides, which means the settings are successful. You can set different total travel amount for the 4 channels. For example, I set the dual rate of another channel, and channel 4. And I can also assign the same switch for channel 1, or use a different switch, and I assign another switch. And switch B, the position is up. That is to see when switch B is pushed up, the dual rate function of channel 4 is turned on, and I set the ratio to 80%. And click Write to save the modification. As switch B is pushed down, move the joystick of channel 4. It is 100% on both sides, and push switch B up. The dual rate function of channel 4 is turned on, and push the joystick of channel 4. We can see the travel amount of channel 4 is 80% on both sides, which means the settings of channel 4 are successful. And I can also push switch A up to check the travel amount of channel 1. We can see the travel amount of channel 1 is also 50% on both sides. That is to see the dual rate of each channel can work independently. And by the way, when setting the dual rate, you can also set the expo. I select channel 3 as an example. Here is the expo. The expo can be set from -100% to +100, and it defaults to 0%, which means there is no expo setting. And I set it to -100%. -100% means the stick is the least sensitive in the neutral position, but the most sensitive at both ends. Plus 100% is the opposite. And I said it. Plus 100%. And plus 100% means the stick is the most sensitive in the neutral position, but the least sensitive at both ends position. And you can set the expo according to your needs. Besides, if you want to set the travel of other channels except channel 1 to channel 4, you can use endpoint function. It is on basic menu. You can set the travel from channel 1 to channel 8 here. The value defaults to 96. It can be set from 0 to 100. And there are 2 values for each channel, which indicates the travel amount on the both sides of the channel. So you can set different values on both sides for each channel. For example, I set the endpoint of channel 3 and to 50% on one side and 80% on the other side, and click Write to save the modification. And go to Servo Display and move the joystick of channel 3. We can see the endpoints on both sides of channel 3 are different, and the travel is based on the endpoint we have set before. But pay attention, you cannot assign a switch to control the endpoint, but you can assign a switch to control the dual rate function. So that's all about the dual rate and endpoint function of T8S and T8FB transmitter.